Are you tired of traditional animation software that slows you down, costs you countless hours, and feels clunky on mobile apps? Maybe you've tried other tools, but they just weren't up to the task. Well, that's about to change. Meet Cascadeur Mobile, the AI-powered game changer for 3D animation right in the palm of your hand. Here's the deal. Most mobile animation tools out there are either just light version of their desktop counterparts or simply don't perform as promised. Some creators might even promise revolutionary features, but users eventually find themselves let down by poor functionality or limited options. That's where Cascadeur Mobile stands out. It's not just different, it's a complete redefinition of animation on mobile devices, and I'll prove it to you in this video. Trust me, this isn't your typical rehashed software. It's designed for you, the creator. If you're like me and countless other animators, you love creating but hate wasting hours tweaking, fixing, or in battling stubborn rigs and physics simulations. Animation should feel creative, not soul-sucking, and while AI tools promise convenience, they often fall short against before, ending up inconsistent or leaving characters looking far too robotic. Now you're left asking, isn't there a better way? There absolutely is. Enter Cascadeur Mobile. Now, I know you're wondering what makes this app different. Well, Cascadeur Mobile is more than just a mobile version of the acclaimed desktop software. It's a portable powerhouse that integrates advanced auto-posing and auto-physics tools to simplify your workflow while maintaining complete creative control. Plus, it works seamlessly with the desktop version, letting you import and export animations for further refinement. And that's just scratching the surface. Ready to revolutionize your animation workflow? Download Cascadeur Mobile today and experience the future of 3D animation in the palm of your hand. And start creating with the ultimate designed for animators by animators.